Tired of project chaos and want to make sure the right people are always in the loop? I'm here to show you how to add team members to specific projects in Basecamp, keeping everyone organized and collaborating seamlessly. First, let's start on the main Basecamp screen. Look on the left sidebar, and you'll find Teams and People. Click on this, as it's your hub for managing everyone's access. Clicking here will let you see all your members, and it will also allow you to invite and give access to others. Next, you'll see a big, friendly button that says Invite New People. Go ahead and click that. This will open up the invitation window where you can add new members to your Basecamp account. Now, carefully enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite. You can add multiple email addresses separated by commas. Add a short welcome message to tell them about Basecamp and the cool projects they'll be working on. This will make your new members feel more welcomed. Once your new members have accepted their invitation, or if you're adding someone already in your Basecamp account, head over to the specific project you want to grant access to. On the upper right corner of the project, find the option to assign access. Might also look like a small icon of people in front of a plus sign. A list of your team members will appear, each with a checkbox next to their name. Simply check the box next to the names of the people you want to have access to this particular project. This way, only the relevant team members will receive updates and be able to contribute, keeping things focused and efficient. And that's it. You've successfully added people to your Basecamp project. Remember, getting access to the right people can streamline your workflows, reduce communication silos, and boost overall productivity. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more Basecamp tips.